10 DIY home remedies for gout pain. Gout is a type of arthritis that is caused by the buildup of uric acid in the blood. Uric acid is formed by the breakdown of a waste substance called purines in the body. Usually these are dissolved in the blood, processed by kidneys and passed away through urine. However, some people possess excess uric acid that stays in the blood and forms crystals that collects in the joints. It is characterized by a sudden, severe attack of pain, redness, swelling and tenderness in the joints, often the joint at the base of the big toe. This problem is most common in men above 40s and those who are overweight. Gout can be caused by genetics, excessive consumption of alcohol, lack of physical exercises, stress, improper lifestyle, unbalanced diet, etc. Unlike arthritis, gout can be cured luckily. Home remedies for gout pain. 1. Ginger. Ginger root contains anti-inflammatory properties which help to relieve pain and inflammation. Process 1. Mix equal quantities of dried ginger root powder, fenugreek powder and turmeric powder. Consume 1 teaspoon along with warm water twice a day. Process 2. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ginger root to a cup of boiling water. Stir well and drink at least once a day. You can also add ginger root in cooking recipes or eat it raw. Process 3. Add a little water to raw ginger root to make a paste. Apply to the gout-affected area. Leave for about 30 minutes before rinsing off. Repeat daily to get rid of gout. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice alkalizes the body and neutralizes the excess uric acid in your bloodstream. Process 1. Squeeze a lemon to extract its juice and then add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well and add a glass of water and drink it immediately. Repeat this regularly. Process 2. Mix the juice of half a lemon in a glass of water. Drink this 3 times a day. 3. Cherries. Cherries contain antioxidants and anthocyanins which reduce the inflammation and minimize the gout flare-ups. Cherries remove the toxins from the body and clean the kidneys. Process 1. Eat 20 fresh cherries every day at the start of the day. Canned cherries also work well. Eat them regularly. Process 2. Drink a glass of cherry juice enriched with few cloves of minced garlic daily. You can also eat cherry pie, cherry compote, cherry jam, cherry tea etc. Also you can use pineapple in the place of cherries. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to treat gout and arthritis very effectively. Process 1. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water. Stir it well and drink 2 to 3 times a day. If this is helpful, increase the dosage to 2 teaspoons. Process 2. Mix equal quantities of apple cider vinegar and honey. Honey boosts the body's anti-inflammatory response. Drink this twice a day. Continue until the pain has gone. 5. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal absorbs the uric acid and reduces the pain and inflammation. Process. Mix 1/2 cup of charcoal powder with a little water to make a fine paste. Pour into the bath water. Soak the affected body part for 30 minutes. This process is good for gout in the ankle joint or big toe. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Or apply the paste on the affected area and leave for about 30 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and repeat regularly. You can also take activated charcoal capsules orally. 6. Devil's clawroot. Devil's clawroot acts as an anti-inflammatory to relieve the pain and swelling. Process. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of powdered devil's clawroot in a cup of boiling water. Cover and steep for about 10 minutes. Strain and then drink 1 cup of tea daily. Note: meadowsweet leaves and flower tops, white willow bark, feverfew, licorice, capsicum and boswellia can be used in place of devil's clawroot. 7. Baking soda. Baking soda reduces the amount of uric acid in your body. It also relieves pain and swelling. Process. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water. Drink this solution 3 times a day for up to 2 weeks. Do not take more than 3 times a day. Do not use if you're suffering from hypertension. 8. Apples. Apple contains malic acid, which helps to neutralize the uric acid in the body and thereby reduces the pain and inflammation. Process: try to eat an apple every day. You could also try apple juice and foods containing apple. 9. Banana. Bananas contain high amount of potassium that helps to convert the uric acid crystals into liquid so that it gets flushed out through urination. It also contains vitamin C that helps in managing the swelling and pain. Process: eat 1–2 bananas every day. Also add 1 ripe banana to 1/2 cup of yogurt and consume. 10. Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains high amounts of magnesium that reduces the gout and other forms of arthritis. Soaking the affected body part in warm water and Epsom salt relaxes aching muscles. Process: add 2 cups of Epsom salt to warm bath water. Soak your body in the water until the water cools. Repeat once a week. If the gout is severe, then use this remedy more often. 11. Cold water. Placing the ice on the affected area will damage the skin. It's always recommended to place the affected area in cold water instead. Process: place the affected joint in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat the same process several times a day. To use ice, wrap in a towel first to create an ice pack and hold onto the joint for 15 minutes. Avoid excessive use of ice packs. Tips to reduce gout pain: always maintain a healthy weight as it is one of the cause of gout. Maintain a balanced diet. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Avoid drinking alcohol. Avoid taking non-prescription water pills and other diuretics which slow down the excretion of uric acid that builds up in the blood. If the joints are very painful, don't put any weight on the joints, keep them elevated, avoid itching, icing or heating the affected area and wear comfortable shoes. Avoid the foods like turkey, organ meat, meat gravies, red wine, etc. which are high in purines that metabolize to uric acid. Have fish oil supplements to ease the inflammation. Drink thyme tea by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of thyme powder to a cup of boiling water. Eat grapes as they contain a high amount of alkaline. This will lessen the acidity of uric acid. Take caffeine and decaffeinated drinks which lowers the uric acid. If you suffer from high fever and chills or if your symptoms don't improve after 48 hours, immediately consult the doctor for medical attention.